A cruise ship leaving the port travels 50.0 km 45.0 degrees north of west and then 70.0 km at a heading 30.0 degrees north of east. Find A. The components of the ship's displacement vectors. B. The displacement vectors magnitude and direction. So, this is now my solution. This is my diagram. This is my diagram. So, what is required is A. Components of the ship's displacement vectors and B. The displacement vectors magnitude and direction. So, to solve this, letter A, our solution would be first we have to find the components. So, to find the components, A sub x is equals to A cosine 45.0 degrees is equals to negative 50.0 kilometers times 0.707. So, it is negative 50.0 kilometers since if we look at our diagram in the Cartesian plane, it is in the west side or left side, and the values in the left side are negative, so that is why negative. So negative 50.0 kilometers times 0.707 is equals to negative 35.35 kilometers. And then we have to find the A sub y is equals to A sine times A sine 45.0 degrees is equals to 50.0 kilometers times 0.707 is equals to positive 35.35 kilometers. Then B sub x is equals to B cosine 30.0 degrees is equals to 70.0 kilometers times 0.866 is equals to 60.6 kilometer. B sub y is equals to B sine 30.0 degrees is equals to 70.0 kilometers times 0.5 is equals to 35 kilometers. So, to find r sub x, we have to add A sub x plus B sub x. So, since we now have the value of A sub x and B sub x, we just have to substitute. R sub x is equals to negative 35.35 kilometers plus 60.6 kilometers is equals to 25.25 kilometers or 25.3 kilometers. R sub y is equals to A sub y plus B sub y. Then substitute 35.35 kilometers plus 35 kilometers is equals to 70.35 kilometers or 70.4 kilometers. And if we plot this in a Cartesian plane, so this is its diagram. So finding the displacement vectors magnitude and direction. In finding the magnitude and direction, we have to use the Pythagorean theorem formula. Pythagorean theorem formula. So r is equals to square root of r sub x squared plus r sub y squared. So r is equals to square root of 25.3 kilometers squared plus 70.4 kilometers squared is equals to 74.8 kilometer. So this is the magnitude, and to find the direction, we have to use the inverse tangent. So 70.4 kilometers over 25.3 kilometers is equals to 70.2 degrees, and that is the direction.